Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunity Circle, the number one opportunities discovering platform. We are back with another great opportunity for you all. This time it is European Commission Scholarship for One Youth World Conference in Manchester. To be eligible for the European Commission Scholarship, the applicant first need to check the list of eligible countries before applying. Secondly, the applicants must be a minimum of 18 to a maximum of 30 years old. This opportunity is open to teachers, students, leaders, etc. The applicant must have leadership skills and the applicants must be able to pay their visa fees. The European Commission scholarship benefits the participants by covering all their expenses related to the One Young World Conference. It includes accommodation in hotels, meal that includes lunch, breakfast, dinner and catering, city transportation, access to events of One Young World, and airfare from home country to the UK and back, and free conference materials. Click on the link given in the description section of this video to start applying for the European Commission scholarship. It will redirect you to this webpage. You need to scroll down to read through the details of this scholarship and proceed towards the application process section and click on apply now to start your application for this scholarship. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. By clicking on apply now, you will be redirected to this webpage of European Commission Peace Ambassadors Scholarship. Scroll down to read through all the details related to the scholarship. Then you are required to fill in all the given spaces. You need to type in your first name, your last name, select your gender, put your date of birth here. Then you have to select your nationality. If you have a more than one nationality, then select your dual nationality. Select the country of your residence. Put your email address here. Then your phone number here. Put your address here. Write the name of your city or town, select your province and type your postal code here. In the travel information, first of all, you have to tell that do you have a passport? Select your answer. And when does your passport expire? You have to put the date here. First you need to write the date, then month and then year. Then you need to write the full name as it appears on your passport. After that, you have to type in your passport number and then you have to tell the name of the closest international airport from which you will travel to the summit. In the application questions, first you have to tell the name of your organization where you are working and then you have to tell the position at the organization. Afterwards, you have to provide a description of yourself including your current role, your achievements, aspirations and actions you are taking to build peace, and your answer can be of 100 to 250 words. In the answer to the next question, you have to tell that what area of peace building are you most passionate about. For example, conflict resolution, migrant rights, tackling disinformation, countering violent extremism, etc. And why did you choose that area to focus on? Your answer can be of 100 to 250 words. In the next question, you have to tell that how is your peace building work making an impact in your community, country, or organization? Again, you can write your answer in 100 to 250 words. Then you have to confirm your level of written and spoken English language. You have to select your level of the written English language and the spoken English language. The next question is that why do you want to become a peace ambassador and join the community, and how do you think the experience will help advance your work? Again, you can put your answer in 100 to 250 words. In the answer to the last question, you have to provide the links to websites, blogs, or social media accounts that you believe are relevant to your application and help to legitimize your work. If you have received any awards, please provide links to those as well here. After getting done with all the questions, you have to provide a reference. Please do read the given instructions. Write down the full name of the referee, the name of the organization, position title of the referee, email address of the referee, contact number of the referee. And what is your relationship to the referee? For this one, you have to select yes, and then you have to tell that how would you like to be contacted by One Young World. Email, telephone, I do not wish to be contacted. Select your answer. And then check this box as well, and then click on submit to submit your European Commission scholarship application. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family.